There's a visible trail from where you park, but it leads straight to the cliff edge. You won't find signage, and there's no safe way down from there. If you're facing the beach, head to the right. There are 2 trails that you can take down to the beach. One is through private property. We took the other option. What looks like a pile of steep rocks is actually your descent down to the beach. It's not as steep as you think. Think of the rocks as a staircase. Just take it slow and be mindful of your footing. We were lucky enough to have the cove to ourselves for a short while, but it didn't take long for us to hear people above at the dead end trying to find their way down. You'll find that even with instructions, some are happy to make it down to the cove and some are not. Here's what I wish I knew before I came. See you at the next beach.